Hi, my dear listeners. Welcome to the new episode of Peter's English podcast. In this episode, I want to read you my last fairy tale about Vierka, the vampire girl. The title is Bloodlines of Unity, the tale of sisters Vierka and Lucia. I hope you will like it. It's about a family relationship, and I created this fairy tale because I want to show you that family have to be together, and they have and every and the most important thing is good relationship in the family. And we can start right now. Welcome again, and I'm going to read you Bloodlines of Unity, the tale of sister Vierka and Lucia. Vierka's parents didn't agree with Vierka's new boyfriend Peter. He was an ordinary poor guy from a normal human family, but Vierka's family wanted to find someone better suited for her. They found a handsome, young and very rich businessman, Sebastian Novák. He owned numerous companies and properties around the world. However, Vierka didn't agree with the arranged marriage. She decided to escape with Peter to the nearby forest. Vierka's parents felt very guilty when they realized what had happened. They went to apologize for their mistake, but Vierka didn't trust them anymore. Determined to save their family relationships, her parents accepted that they couldn't control Vierka's life. They decided to reveal the family's biggest secret. Vierka had a sister she had never met before. Vierka's sister was called Lucia, known as the Queen of Darkness. She loved independence, enjoyed solitude, and delighted in making fun of everyone. She was a feminist activist who wanted to prove to her parents that no one could control her life. Lucia had escaped from her parents and had spent years living alone, without any contact with her family. Her parents never told Vierka about her sister until now, hoping to reunite their daughters. Vierka decided to meet her sister and befriended her. Lucia sensed the arrival of a vampire and a human in her forest and decided to confront them. When Lucia discovered that Vierka was her younger sister, eager to save their family relationships, she was surprised. She pretended to be happy to have a sister and acted kind and sweet. However, behind Vierka's back, she instructed her gang of vampire girls to destroy Vierka's relationship with Peter. The vampire girls attempted to seduce Peter. Peter bravely resisted and confronted them, leading the girls to tell him that Vierka had hired them to test whether he was worthy of her. Peter was furious and shouted at Vierka, accusing her of not trusting him. Their relationship hit rock bottom, and they stopped speaking to each other. Meanwhile, Lucia arranged a date between Vierka and Sebastian Novák. Sebastian fell in love with Lucia at first sight. To impress her, he agreed to go on a date with Vierka. Hoping to make Peter jealous, Vierka reluctantly agreed to give Sebastian a chance. Peter soon realized how much he loved Vierka and regretted his anger. He bought her a bouquet of roses and ran to apologize her, confessing his feelings. Vierka realized that she loved Peter while she was on her date with Sebastian. She thanked Sebastian for his kindness and explained her feelings for Peter. On her way home, Vierka and Peter reconciled, apologized to each other, and renewed their relationship. Vierka was overjoyed to receive Peter's bouquet of roses, and they began dating again. Sebastian was heartbroken, but soon realized he loved Lucia. He confessed his feelings to her, along with his admiration for Vierka's effort to save their family bonds. Touched, Lucia acknowledged her mistakes and decided to give her family a second chance. She apologized to her sister and parents and began mending their relationships. Lucia decided to give Sebastian a chance as well, but she was cautious, starting as friends first. Sebastian happily agreed and began proving his love for her. Vierka supported them, and eventually Lucia agreed to date Sebastian when she felt ready. The Orzágh family united once more and began living together as a normal family. Lucia became her sister's best friend and protector. Their parents strove to build a warm friendship with both daughters. The family drama ended on a joyful note. The end. This was, people, my last fairy tale about Vierka, the vampire girl, and I hope it's good, because I think that because I was thinking that I can do fairy tales with the moral education. I want to show you and I want to teach you my opinions about the life and what else for this episode. You can write me your opinions, but if you don't agree with my content, please you don't need to write me or to watch me if you doesn't agree with me and with my content. But if you like it, you can write me your opinions, and we can create Peter's English podcast community that is about friendship with each other, about practicing speaking skills in English and having fun together and creating video episodes for my podcast. And what now? Thank you for your watching and listening, and I want to tell you bye bye.